Hello guys, welcome back to the Escapades. So in this video I'm going to show you how to book your motor vehicle inspection. So you'll have to log in into your team's account, proceed into the inspection tab where you'll have to proceed to the payment and inspection booking, choose the category if it's an annual booking for your car, proceed to the next, press next and wait for the site to load. When it loads, the vehicle that you need to book for the inspection, you should find it down there. So tick on the vehicle, in this case is KUD. From there press next. After you press next, it should take you to the payment side. So just press next. The amount is normally 1050, 1050. So press pay. It is going to prompt you into the M-Pesa payment method or the debit card, depending on your preference. Please choose wisely, but I normally recommend you use the M-Pesa because the confirmation message is after you pay, it is brought forward very fast, and you can also be able to track if you have made any mistake. So let the tab load, the M-Pesa payment tab load. So as you can see, there are various forms of payment. So in this case I'll choose M-Pesa. I write my number, and after I have paid, I just press on submit so that it can process my payment, and it's going to give me a receipt. That's the first document that you'll need during the day of inspection, the inspection receipt showing that you have paid the 1050. Just download that. I'll print it immediately. It depends with your preference. So in my case, I'm going to download it because it's one of the most important documents. Then from there, go back to the inspection tab, inspection tab again, then go inspection booking. In the inspection booking, you're going to go next because already your car has already been put, like you have already paid for the inspection. So you just go to the booking. Then in the booking stage, you are going to have to select the inspection center that you would want to go to take your car, either Nairobi, but in my case I would like to go to Thika. You also have to select the month that you would like to go for the inspection, select the time. Then from there, after you select the month and time, just go and search to find if it's available, and in my case it's available, so I submit. Then after you submit, you just press OK and go back now to the last tab, the inspection booking list update, where you will find your view booking. So for this document, it's also very important. This is a summary of where you have booked, the date and the month. So also print that. So those are the two key important documents you need.